Morning, everybody. We are going through the chapter Expert Detectives. Now, let's revise what we have read. The two children, Nishad and Maya, were busy discussing their mysterious neighbor, Mr. Nath. Nishad thinks that he is the poor and doesn't have much money, where Maya believes that he has got a lot of money and has kept hidden somewhere in his room. Then they discussed about Mr. Nath's scars on his face. Maya thought that he might have got those scars on his face during a shootout with the police because she thinks that he is a criminal. On their mother's birthday, Nishad went along with his mother to his clinic at Girgaon. But Maya stayed with her school friend. She didn't go. There in the clinic, Nishad got a chance to see Mr. Nath. Nishad was worried to see Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance. Gaunt appearance means he was looking sickly and thin. And he was sure that Mr. Nath didn't have money even for food. In the evening, Nishad went his place and knocked at the door. Mr. Nath asked him whether he had come there for marbles again, but Nishad said no. Then Nishad gave him a bar of chocolate. Nishad had a lot of sympathy for Mr. Nath. Then Maya asked Nishad that when he went to Mr. Nath's house, did he get a chance to peek into the trunk in which he had kept hidden all the money and gold. Peek into the trunk means whether he was able to see inside the trunk. Nishad told Maya no, but he said that he had brought another information about Mr. Nath. Nishad said that he befriended Ramesh, the boy who used to bring food for Mr. Nath from a nearby restaurant. That boy Ramesh informed him that Mr. Nath had 2 meals a day and tea in morning and evening. His meal was the same every day, 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. And he always used to pay in cash, and tips well means he gives a good amount of money to Ramesh as tip. Nishad also added that there is one more strange thing about Mr. Nath, that is every Sunday Ramesh carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and a man is there with Mr. Nath every Sunday. That man is tall, fair and stout, means fat, and wears spectacles. Ramesh informed that man or that visitor talks a lot, while Mr. Nath doesn't talk too much. He hardly speaks. Maya said to Nishad that he had done a great job. He had gathered a lot of information about Mr. Nath. She said, our inquiry about Mr. Nath is in progress. In this way, they both will gather information about Mr. Nath like expert detectives, so that they can prove that Mr. Nath is a crook and can trap him and inform the police about him. This is all for today. Next part we will explain tomorrow. Thank you.